Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing both devices so the connection process runs smoothly. On your phone, enable mobile data and pick Wi-Fi hotspot or USB tethering. This is how your laptop will access the carrier network. On the Asus laptop, open network settings and make sure Wi-Fi is enabled or have a USB cable ready. This reduces setup delays. Once done, you will choose whether to share via hotspot for wireless convenience or tethering for faster, more stable throughput. Now you perform the actual connection. If using a hotspot, set a recognizable SSID and a strong WPA2 password on the phone so only you can join. Then scan and select it on the Asus and enter the password. If using USB tethering, connect the cable, accept any permission dialogues on the phone, and let Windows install the network driver. This often provides lower latency and better speeds. Make sure the laptop shows an active network icon and that IP4 is assigned. To finish, verify that you have internet on the Asus by opening a website and, if you want, running ping to test latency. This confirms both connectivity and routing. Make sure to monitor mobile data and phone battery because tethering consumes both. Disable the hotspot when finished. If things go wrong, restart the phone and laptop, update network drivers on the Asus, toggle tethering settings, or switch USB ports. These steps fix most common driver and permission issues and restore connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.